Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to English with Erkin. I am back again for another video. A giant house.
That's the funny part, I don't. I really don't.
How big is your house?
Like maybe the size of this balcony.
How big?
Peter Piper
picked a pack of pickled
Peter Piper picked a pack of what?
Pickled peppers.
Pickled peppers?
What's up everybody? I am back again for another video. In today's video I'm going to talk about this conditional sentence as I mentioned earlier. As you have already known, there are four conditional sentences in English. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Actually, there are a fifth one called mixed conditional, which is not really useful in real life, so let's forget about that. So we're going to talk about specifically third conditional sentence today, and I'm going to invite to our video my personal coach, friend Kevin.
What's up, guys?
Hey.
I am a personal trainer. I am also an aspiring actor. Yeah, a lot of my
Pro.
I guess, yeah. I guess so. And yeah, no, a lot of my life is very based around fitness and a lot around arts and expressing, and also I like to dance as well. And also that's how I kind of connected with the Uyghur community as well, through dance.
Yeah. So I'll put his videos on description below. Check it out. So we're going to talk about imaginations, unreal things like dreams today. So I have two questions to Kevin. Okay. Question number one: if you had 10 million Canadian dollars right now, right here, what would you do?
Oh man, I think I would build a robot.
Ooh.
I'd definitely build a robot so he could do all my chores for me. Because I'm tired of cleaning my house sometimes, you know?
Oh, you must have a giant house.
That's the funny part, I don't. I really don't.
How big is your house?
Like maybe the size of this balcony.
How lazy are you?
Yeah, sometimes it just doesn't stop.
Yeah, it's a pain in the neck, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not the funniest, it's not the most interesting thing in the world. I'm not a big fan of doing that either, so.
Yeah. I would definitely build a robot so he could do all my chores for me, so I could just sit and relax.
Wow, I would build a robot. Okay, interesting. Question number two. So, if you had a superpower, what kind of superpower would you like to have?
I would want to fly.
Ooh,
yeah.
Me too actually.
Yeah, the ability to just get up and go wherever you want. I think
like a Superman.
Whenever I feel like it, I can go to the States. I can fly to.
Would you help people?
How would we help people? I guess
like a Superman. Like Superman.
I guess we could transport stuff. And
okay, yeah.
I guess so. Save some people from buildings.
Yeah, if somebody's like, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So let's repeat that second question. If you had a superpower, what would you like to have? So his answer is, I would
love to fly.
Love to fly. I would love to fly. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to Erkin Ablay's YouTube channel. Follow English with Erkin Instagram page. Also, as I mentioned on my previous video, I started to have my private lessons, one-to-one online lessons and group lessons. If you are interested in that, so DM me, okay? Thank you so much for your help and for your time today, Kevin.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Okay, you can follow Kevin's Instagram. I'll put it on the screen. Okay, have a good day, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.